I was just minding my own business, doing my thing when this message popped up. I really want to learn charcoal painting. Is it hard? What would I need?
So let's answer that question as we get back to this drawing that I haven't touched in months. It was so dusty. This is pretty much everything that I use, but that does not mean this is everything that you need. So I have been there, like I've been a beginner, I've been
like, okay, I'm gonna try charcoal, I wanna see if I like it. I don't invest a lot of money into it because I don't even know if I'm gonna like it after.
And truth be told, I did not like it at the beginning. It was too messy for me. So yeah, I do not recommend you going and spending all your money on all the tools that you see online because you don't even know if you're gonna like it. So we're gonna reduce this to the things that you really need to start drawing, and then we're gonna start adding some things that maybe you can start incorporating once you know you like charcoal. Number one is gonna be super obvious if you wanna start drawing with charcoal. It is charcoal pencils, and you really don't need to go and get yourself like a whole set. You'll be fine with a hard pencil and a soft one. So in the case of Generals, which is the brand that I go for, you're gonna want like an HB and a 6B. I don't think 2B and 4B are necessary, or at least for me, like I don't use them much. But I find that Generals charcoal really like gives you deeper and like richer blacks. Next, I would definitely go for some compressed charcoal sticks because this will allow you to make some powder, and powder is just so great for shading, mainly for backgrounds in like larger areas, like if you're trying to draw humans or, you know, like smoother finishes. Charcoal powder is great. And you can just make it yourself, it's super easy. I'm gonna link my tutorial video right here. Next, let's talk erasers. As you can see, I have a pretty large variety of them, but I would honestly, to begin, recommend this, the Tombow Mono Zero. It has been like a favorite of mine for 5 years, which is when I started drawing, because it is just so good. It will make your life so much easier. It is so good. But if you cannot find this where you are, you can always just use one of these regulars and like cut it to make it a little more delicate. And then obviously a regular eraser. I love this one by Faber-Castell. It is so good with charcoal, so get yourself a good just regular eraser for like graphite pencils or charcoal and you're all good. Oh, and also a kneaded eraser. If you have those three, like you're all set. You really don't need more. Next, and I would say this one might be a little extra, but also it will make your life easier, is an embossing tool, especially if you want to draw animals. Like I started drawing during the pandemic, so I could not find this tool anywhere, and I hot glued like a thick pencil to an L-shaped wall mount. I don't know if that's how you call it, but I'm gonna show you right here. That's what it looked like. And yeah, I used that for my first charcoal drawing ever, and it worked well. Like I liked the final result, you know? Then, well, of course, a sharpener. I really still haven't found like a great one. I like the Generals sharpeners, but they don't even last an entire drawing. They just get messed up and start breaking the tip of your pencil. So if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know because I am desperate. Next on the list, we have makeup brushes. You do not need so many. You could be fine with kind of like a big fluffy brush, a big harder brush. I don't know if you can tell. You 1000% need small hard brushes What I mean by hard is like the bristles are just very stiff. So when the bristles are stiffer, it makes the charcoal like stick onto the paper so much more, and you get like a way darker color. Like this used to be a regular just painting brush, and I cut the tip off to make it harder, and it worked super well, and it let me draw a lot of details. And then it just started disappearing. The tip just started disappearing. I don't know what happened. But yeah. Then I would say one of these too. When you want the tip of your pencil to be sharper and you don't want to sharpen it because you don't need to, go like this, you clean it right here, and you're all good. And you don't even need this exact thing. I don't even know what it's called. But you can just have a little piece of sandpaper. No need to go spending. And then this one, the beauty blender, is something that I definitely didn't have as a beginner. I discovered it like way later, but it is so helpful. Like if you can get yourself a beauty blender, it is gonna make blending just incredibly easy. I remember I would use cotton balls, literally, or tissue paper, and just the time that it took to actually get something to blend in nicely was 3 times the amount of time that it would take you if you just used this. I don't know if that made sense, but this takes like 1/3 of the time, okay, or less. This makes blending a very enjoyable experience. So let's look at the tools that we have talked about.
So there it is. That's pretty much everything that I use, and this is what I could not draw without.
If you want to get like a little extra, just a little extra, you can add tinier beauty blenders, which are super helpful. Okay, and then these little makeup sponges, they are like baby beauty blenders. So they're like pretty much the same material as a beauty blender, and it just helps you get into like spots that are super tiny. If you want to keep being extra, white gel pen to do little highlights at the end. It's nice. And finally, one of these. It's like the Mono Zero eraser, but it's electric. So it's amazing. If you want to be a little extra, this is also the way to go. And I was forgetting about paper. Okay, so I started drawing with graphite, and graphite paper, or like paper that goes a little better with graphite, is like super smooth. It has no tooth to it. So I used the same paper at the beginning, which was Strathmore Smooth Bristol. And it worked fine with charcoal too. Now I am using, oh my god, what's it called? Oh, now I'm using Saunders Aquarelle Hot Press, something like that. But yeah, for paper, like honestly, anything that is for charcoal or for graphite will do fine. I have 2 hours to draw today before I have to like edit and do a lot of other things. So if you want to see some of these tools in action, you can stick with me for the next 5 minutes and watch me draw. Or if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful.